That one yeah, grab them. That one yeah, grab them. That one yeah, grab them.
Hey, what's up? What's happening? What's going on? Wagwan and hola. I am Tiffany and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey. If you're not, what's up? It is Monday, May 16th, and I am on my way to the airport. I am going to Jamaica. It's gonna be a week-long trip, a full 7-day situation. I am looking forward to this vacation. I haven't been back to Jamaica in so long. I used to go as a child with my family to see family there because my origin is Jamaican descent. I'm looking forward to this trip and I just want to be out in the trenches. I'm going to be staying at a resort, but also going to see family in Kingston. I'm going to be in Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, and Kingston for sure, and may travel out to other places. Yes, baby, I'm looking forward to this. I'm ready to go. Yeah, I just want to come and do this intro real quick. So I dropped Bowie off earlier this morning at the daycare. So Bowie is gone. I know he's missing me. Dropping Bowie off to doggy daycare. Say good morning. No? Okay. So I'm driving and trying to do this. So let me put my camera down. I just want to get some footage of the little boy before he is off to daycare. I'm out here waiting for my shuttle to come pick me up to take me to the airport. It's circling around, so it'll be here in just a hot second.
Oh yeah,
all of our luggage right there. Yeah.
Why?
All of the luggage. That's crazy.
Oh, very crazy.
That's a lot. Are we moving? I'm at the gate, and they got reggae music playing at the gate. So you know I have to walk up here dancing. But hey, I'm ready for this flight, baby. It's the music playing at the gate for me. It's already giving me that vibe. You feel me? Got the speaker. Almost time to take off. Ready to go. We're at the resort. That's the entrance. This is a view from the balcony. I think the ocean is over there. TV, closet, nice shower, some double sinks, toilets. Bro, it's cute. And then the patio right there. Rise and shine. It is Tuesday, May 17th. This is the view from the room.
Tiffany, you could have gone in front, you know, so you could get better view.
If you get the money just gone, because nobody don't know about it. The house here built for middle class and low class. If you look down there, you see one pink one and one little yellow one. You see there one sewage, something right there. So. You sewage something right there, so I carry all of the wastewater from the house. And they have one cesspool something down in the house. I'm going to tell you something with them people also. They don't pay light bill. Then thief current. Alright, because this one now. Yeah, thief current.
Like 9:20 a.m. The ride from Ocho to Montego was like 2 hours long, but we finally made it to family's house here in Montego Bay. It's a rental property. We're here, we're about to have breakfast brunch situation. Then we're gonna go to the beach. I just ate a mango, so good.
Oh, please.
I'm a cereal plate.
Yeah, this is good.
Here. Yes. Coconut gel, the meat.
Yes.
Try it, Tiffany.
Coconut jelly. Out here in the trenches, okay. Background. This is where you come, better catch the fish in the river. and they cook it and they sell it. Try to zoom in behind me.
Your chicken is here.
Cute.
We don't bother with no
Rum teams, rum time.
natural
Okay.
style.
Natural thing down.
There's a color.
Boys over there with his drone. Tyler. This rum is pretty freaking strong.
Spanish stone.
I think I got it.
Ordered St. Elizabeth fish fry.
I might fish this on the market here. And my rum. You want to put the Tyler?
Yeah, man. Very brother. Natural rum, my boy.
Natural rum.
That's who don't have no rum, you could have cheered me away, brother. Yeah, man.
Big up. The grocery store. I got it handwritten. It's handwritten. Okay. Okay. Check out the price of the oxtail. Oh yes.
26.
Oh yes. Smelling through the plastic.
Look at that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very much salty. Okay, supermarkets. Wanna be my lover?
You see what I'm talking about? You must circle right through.
Yeah, circle right wrong. Circle right.
Come up all them dirty deeds. Right to me?
Yeah.
You say, yeah, you know that?
I wasn't listening. I wasn't listening.
I'm coming close to that.
Oh
She
gosh.
said you have a weird dog.
What's the question?
What's your eyelashes will look like? Makila.
Those my eyebrows.
Me no. She said we are real, I'm a real dog. Let me check see if I'm a real dog. Let me check her eyebrow and everything.
I wasn't listening to the story.
Because Rocky, she said yeah, she look at her father feet.
I didn't- Right.
And Tyler in my laugh like yeah. I drink a red time now.
Bubba.
This brother,
Kitchen of files, you know.
I call it poor. He look like Mr. But I'm from my son's.
Yeah, man.
I'm going him. I'm going to bring him back to chill out long time and thing. I want to over here, son. And give some other son. See, this is my mother-in-law. I know everything. And this is the wife. I know that for sure. I the wife that. And I think the person that take the video is supposed to be my daughter. I'm not too sure still. I'm going to bring her back with me still.
That's me.
With a pattern. And one by one, the man cut the rock, so you know. Explain, see what as they cut them, you know. One by one, have you. You see the wall here, a cut stone wall, you know. But they must stone a polish. Each one of the stone in polish. Just look on the time.
Man.
And that's how the elevator go run. It's right where you see the...
The empty spot there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, that's how the elevator go run.
Step around and stretch your legs, my brother.
And this all of the steel coming down to him. Yeah.
Which one of those you like?
It's Wednesday afternoon. We just came back from Montego Bay. We're back in Ocho Rios. And we're about to go to the pool and maybe the beach. Cheers. Yes. right, this is to our second shot of the day. Cheers. All right, this is to our second shot of the day. Cheers. Shot number, I don't know. Yeah, 21. I asked him what this was, and he said something nice.
Happy vacation!
Happy vacation!
What is it?
Something nice.
You're gonna take this shot of rum. Hey, 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 hey. For who? Oh, okay.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Love. No, this is shot.
We about to drink some more. Woo, this gotta be about shot number maybe 10 for me. It's volleyball time. Tyler, let me see. Look at his face. What kind of volleyball? That's some drunk volleyball.
Come on, lady. The bar is open. Grab a drink from the bar.
Hey, sweet. So it's Thursday morning. I already had breakfast. It's about 10:30 a.m. and our driver's gonna come pick us up. I'm sitting on the balcony enjoying the scenery. I can't. I cannot. Vamos. 20 feet deep. Oh! Woo, it's definitely been a hike. Okay. Look at that. Manga. I had to watch where I'm going because these rocks ain't no joke. Okay, it's cute. Huh? Yeah, I saw those.
That's been where we gonna drive more than 50 something. If I
After this one, you're gonna...
So you need to tell them when. Come, let's go ahead. No, sir. Come on. Yeah, though.
Just what?
look different.
Yeah, them turning in a market.
So you know the money eating up at one drug. Yes. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Look at shorty. Short people always have so much mouth. Watch him, I'll go. I'll fight him, I'll go fight him. Hold him back there, hold him back there.
I want to fight.
Oh, Lord. Watch him.
So this is a house that I used to always come to when we come to Jamaica. I actually have a picture on the front porch. I'll probably insert that here somewhere.
Wait,
Who is quiet?
because I'm poor, you know.
And we used, there was a bathroom in there.
Oh yeah, I remember. Look at the tree. Oh, look at the dog. You see the outfit? Look at my little face.
Happy belated
birthday,
and take mama. Picture.
I'm ready for the glow party, baby. And my body paint. Are you having fun so far? Has that glow party? Yeah. Me too. But it hasn't really started yet. Hey. Look at my parents behind me. My dad has one little glow stick in his hand, and that's it. He's ready to go to bed. Get it. I told him to put the hat on and he did it. I told him to do a dance and he did it. Yes. Oh. Hey. Say the footwork. Yeah. Oh. Hey. Get it. Hey. Yeah. Yes, boss. Say something.
Yo, I go on. Already. Portmore. And they have Portmore. Do some shopping. Souvenir store. You know what I mean?
All right, brother.
Fall out in here. Fall to the fall. You see? Don't know.
Yeah, we not getting that. We're in a souvenir store and they acting crazy.
Oh boy.
They acting up in here. Look at Corey having a thing on his face. Right. And then after this, we're going to go on a party boat. Ooh, can't wait for that. About to get on the boat to go to this boat party. Heading into the water. Thank you. Woo! Yes, wave.
right over here where you see all the fishing boats, that is the Fisherman Beach. That's where you go if you want to have some seafood cooked up in Jamaican spots. Upstairs is Lobster Dave, a famous seafood restaurant in St. Anna, right?
Good morning. Good morning. It is Sunday, May 22nd. Today is the day we were supposed to leave Jamaica. However, last night we got an email saying that the flight was canceled. The next available flight is tomorrow, which is Monday morning. There is no more room left at this resort for us to stay the night. So luckily we have family in Kingston. So we're gonna go to Kingston to spend the rest of the day and spend the night with family there and then leave out of Kingston to go back to the US. We also have to get another COVID test because yesterday we took a COVID test thinking we were leaving today. You have to take the test 24 hours before you leave Jamaica. So we have to take another one today. It's so hot and I'm in the shade. Woo.
The black and gold beach.
Yeah. So we're gonna drive in.
We're back in Kingston. I am. I'm going. Yeah, I'm taking a ride.
Yeah, I remember going over that plaza. There was no KFC there. Because I don't know how the school is.
Yep.
KFC and the pate and cocoa bread. We're at the Kingston Norman Manley Airport. I'm about to go back to the US. Almost home. Almost. I got my bottle of pure white Hennessy in here. Just came back from the little liquor store in the airport. I had to pick up at least one bottle of the Hennessy. I got that. And now I'm about to go to the gate to get on the flight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a comment down below. Tell me which part of the video did you like the most? You know, which adventure was you digging? Let me know. Give me some feedback, y'all. Leave me a thumbs up. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. Oh, duh. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. And I'm going to see y'all next time. Later. Bye.
That one, yeah, grab them. That one, yeah, grab them.